Hey babes, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing a posing 101. I'm going to be showing you some of my favorite poses that you always see me do on my Instagram, and then I'm also going to be giving you some tips and tricks on how to pose. This video is not only for content creators, influencer, bloggers, whatever you like to call it. This video is literally for everybody, whether you're at a work event, something personal, a wedding, or it's your job, whatever it may be. I feel like it's very vital to make sure that you're posing and being as confident as possible within your pose. So yes, I'm gonna put you on, girl. And shout out to Lulus for sponsoring this video. I picked up a few fall items from Lulus and I'm super excited to show you guys what I got because it's giving, okay? Everything will be listed in the description box below, including my sizes, so make sure you check that out. Look, if you are new here, hey girl, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Join the fam. I would definitely love to have you. And if you are returning, hey boo, welcome back. I do hope that you enjoy this video. I'm going to stop talking and we're gonna go ahead and get straight into the video. All right, you guys, so I'm gonna show you the clothes that I got from Lulus first, and then we'll move into the posing 101 portion. The first thing that I got, this two-piece set, girl, gorgeous. If this is not screaming fall, then I don't know what is. The colors giving, the material, the style, everything is just on point. I love it. You guys know I love me a two-piece set. You always call me the set queen, so I had to come with a set, okay? This is a stretchy material, which I love because it really conforms to the body. It's long sleeve. It has a split, girl, so it's definitely giving you that side thigh action that we love, you know what I mean? Then also it kind of has like this little square neck, so you can definitely layer a lot of necklaces on here. And this is how everything looks. If I step back, you can see that the skirt goes below the knee. This is perfect for a date night with bae or your girls. Also, you can add like a coat over it if it gets chilly. So it's so many things that you can do with this look here. All right, so the next thing that we have here is this blazer, and I love this blazer so much. It is necessary to have a blazer in the fall, so this could be a nice little look for you as well. It is a lightweight blazer, so it's definitely perfect for the weather now because we're in that transition period where sometimes it's a little bit chilly, but it's not too hot, it's not too cold, so it is perfect for that. You can also like button it right here if you would like to. You can just also throw this over your shoulder, and you can also add like a little belt here. It just gives you a really nice like cinched in look. Literally, there's so many different outfits that you can wear with this blazer, and this can also be a work blazer as well. So the next thing that we have here is a cardigan. Girl, I love cardigans. Like, I cannot live without a cardigan in the fall. This could be an on-the-go running errands type of cardigan. Hey, I'm here, casual, laid back, let's go to lunch type of cardigan, you know what I mean? It's literally just like everything. It looks so good. It lays so nice. Oh my God, I am so in love with this. It has pockets. I love the color. It's very neutral. So again, you can wear it with literally anything and it's going to be a look. And it feels so good, so soft, girl. It is such a nice quality cardigan and I'm just so here for it. I just love it. Oh, all right, so here's the next two items that I want to show you, which I'm absolutely in love with. Now, I was kind of debating like, would I wear these together? And then like whenever I tuck this in, I just don't see it as like a bad look, to be honest with you. But I would probably prefer like a black chunky sweater with this skirt, and it'll be like a really cute fall look. There we have this cream chunky knit sweater that I love so much. Again, the quality is there. It's super duper soft. So I love the fact that the neck is like high. You can layer it with some nice little jewelry. That'll be a cute look. And I also love the fact that the sleeves are long. And another thing that I love about this sweater is that it has like this little deep V. It definitely adds character to this sweater. It gives you a nice little you know what I mean? And I love that about this. And I just paired it with this skirt. Like I stated, like I wouldn't wear these two like necessarily together, but it's definitely not a bad look. This is like this cheetah print midi skirt. Now this is definitely like really flowy. It may give you summer vibes, but hold on girl, okay, because we can do a lot with this. Picture myself wearing some like black boots with this like pointy toe, and this is like a whole look. So I love the added little details. Like I like that some parts of the skirt is longer than the other side, and then I also like that it has like a little split right here. So again, it's just a really nice like overall skirt. It does have like a little zipper here on the side. All right, girl, so here's the next item. I am so in love with the colors, and literally Lulus is spot on, okay? Spot on with these colors. Like for fall, it's definitely giving me fall vibes. Like just the material of everything that I've tried on, it just feels so good and it just fits the body like well. I've literally been wanting one of these dresses for a long time, so I finally got my hands on it. It kind of gives you a vibe of like a collared shirt because it has a collar here and then like buttons all the way up. It does like scrunch right right here. I can see myself wearing this like with some boots, a long line jacket. So again, I'm here for this color and the style of this dress. It's definitely given with the right accessories and shoe. It's gonna be so pretty, girl. So yeah, cute. All right, so here's the next look. We have this chocolate ensemble, okay, and I am here for it. I love it, love it, love it. So we have this chocolate bodysuit, and let me tell you guys, like, I think I got this in a size medium, and it was so easy to like get on. It is like, I don't even know if you can see it, but it's like so stretchy, but it really conforms to your body. This does have like this super high neck. I did fold it down just a little bit. I did add this brown pleather skirt here. I think it's super cute. I think the colors go really, really well together. So I love just how this is. It's a little bit big here in the waist, not too much, but adding a belt would definitely like just really snatch me in. Okay, girl. I love the fact that it does have the belt loop, so I can easily add a belt. It's like, this could be a cute, like, we going on a hayride type of look, pumpkin patch, you know what I mean? You know, type of look. And you can make it like very casual, or you can make it really dressy, sis. It's up to you, like what you want to do. All right, you guys, so I hope that you enjoyed the clothing items that I got from Lulus, and shout outs to them again for sponsoring that portion of the video. We're gonna move on to how to pose. Like I said, I'm gonna show you some of my favorite poses, but I'm also going to give you some tips and tricks, or just a little bit of advice for how to pose. So the first thing when it comes to posing is you have to be very confident in your pose. Like, no matter what, sis, if you're not confident, it's gonna show all over your face and just all over your body. So you're not gonna be able to effectively execute that pose the way that you need to because you're not comfortable. So if you're sitting here like this, like, it's not showing that you're confident. You know what I'm saying? Like, you have to go in and you have to own it. I don't care if you're posing with a birthday girl. Okay, when you get in that picture, y'all please don't mind me, I'm crazy, but when you get in that picture, you better do it like it's your B-day. Do it like it's your B-day. You better serve, okay? I don't care if I'm with the birthday girl, I don't care if I'm with the bride. I'm going to pose, okay? But instead of like doing like this or leaning over, you make sure you put your shoulders back, you suck in, get your posture together, and you pose. Number two, you have to know your angles. You get what I'm saying? For me, I like my right side better than my left side. I don't know why. I feel like everybody has that, you know what I mean? So I don't really personally care to take a picture on my left side. However, if it is a situation where I'm taking a picture with the bride or a birthday girl, it's their day. So I'm gonna let them, you know, figure out what they wanna do first, and then, you know, I'll adjust from there. But if you look on my Instagram, you'll kind of see me doing the same pose every single time. And that's because, like, I know my angles and I know what I feel the most confident in. That is key to posing and making sure that you get a picture the same way every single time. Every time I have like a photo shoot, you know, for like Instagram or whatever, before I play around with other poses, I'm gonna do my main poses, okay? Because I know that those poses do not fail me. And then once I finish that, you know what I mean, I got a few good ones on that one, then I'll play around with other poses. So a few more things here. If you really feel like you're not like able to just stand and hold a pose, you may feel awkward, whatever the case may be, then take like burst photos, or take like, or just keep moving. Have the person that's taking your photo keep snapping, keep snapping, keep snapping. I mean, we're just one, move, 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 move. Like, we're snapping, okay? I'm continuing to move and move and move, and they gotta get something, okay? Like, one of those poses got to work out. I just recommend just really just to have fun with it, play around with it. You can get inspo from other people. I've gotten inspo from other people as well. I remember when I did like this little lookbook, and I did like the I don't want to bend over and show too much, but I had did like a little lean over type of pose with the purse or whatever. That was inspo. That was an inspo pose, okay? I got it from my girl Bronny. She looks so good each and every time, and I just love whenever she does that pose. So I decided to do it, and I love it. You can just feed off other people and just get inspiration all around. Like I said, girl, just have fun with it. All right, girl, so now I'm moving into the portion where I'm going to show you a few of my favorite poses. These are poses that you probably have seen me done, you know, too many times. I always look at what I'm wearing as well when it comes to me posing. Okay, so like with here, this is already a short mini skirt, so I definitely don't want to, you know, be dropping it down low. I make sure that my bag is placed right here, especially for me since I'm taking like fashion photos. Like, I don't want my bag like up here and me posing because you can't see my bag. My purpose is to show the girls my outfit so they can get inspo. If they like that bag, they can get that bag. If they like the skirt, they can get the skirt. You get what I'm saying? So I don't want my bag up here, We're gonna have the bag here on the side. You get a little bit of everything. You can clearly see the bag, you can clearly see the shirt, and you can clearly see the skirt and the shoes or whatever. So again, one of the poses that I love to do is a crossover. It doesn't matter which leg you cross over. Like I said, whatever is comfortable to you. Leave this arm right here, very much relaxed. Sometimes I will put my hand on the hip, but it gives me very much like high school vibes. I want to be grown and sexy, so I just kind of like relax my arm. I'm making sure my shoulders is back. I do lean over a little bit to the side, look off into the distance. I may look straight on, or I may look the other way. So that's one little pose here. Another pose that I really like as well is just like the on the go type of pose, where you put one foot here in front of you and you lean forward and then you look away, because that looks like you're on the go, you're crossing the street or something like that. So I love that type of pose. So what again I would do is put one foot right here and make it very natural. Like, don't be like this girl, you know what I'm saying? Like, no, that's just too much. Do a slight little step in front of you, and then I kind of like twist my hips a little bit. Again, very much relaxed or whatever. The purse is still showing, everything in the outfit is still showing. Sometimes I like to put my hand on my head like this or like this. And the reason why I do that is because it gives it more of like a lifestyle type of look. It's not like, oh, she's just posing. It gives it more of a lifestyle, like, hey, I'm on the go, like type of look. And then the next thing I like to do is I like to stand shoulder width apart. So again, I'm spreading my legs. Again, it's not going to be anything that's like drastic, you know. I'm not going like this or whatever, because that's just too much. Okay, so we're just doing a slight little part. Okay, so I just lean, I make sure I pop that hip out, girl. And then I will sometimes take my hand like this and again look to the side. You can look straight on. All right, so now we're gonna put on another outfit, and I'm gonna show you how I like to like sit down. So we're sitting down here. Ooh, I look thick. No, all right. No, so anyway, we're sitting down here. Let's see if it's gonna work. Okay. So if you see on the thumbnail in my picture that I posted on Instagram, it's slightly different. I'm actually sitting at a table, so I'm able to do a few more things like with this pose. I like to make sure that I'm sitting up straight, you know, my shoulders back, and I just have like good form. So you got to make sure that you're checking yourself with that. Like, I've noticed sometimes that like I would just, you know, like lean over and stuff like that in photos, and it's just not a good look or whatever. All right, you guys, my camera cut off, so the angle might be a little bit different now. But anyway, but say if I'm taking a picture like this and I really wanted this leg to show, like, I'm not gonna do this. I just don't think it looks classy. So it's a way that you can still show this side off and still make it look really, really classy. One thing that I suggest is putting one leg in front of the other. So what I would do is slightly put this leg in front of the right one. 1 and 2, you can put your elbow back. Again, let this hand relax or whatever. Turn your head to the side and pose. But I don't know why I do this or whatever, but sometimes I like to kind of grab like the top of my skirt or pants, whatever, and then, you know, so I'll try to like insert the picture even though you may have seen it on the thumbnail, and then I'll just like lean over and give a death stare to the camera. So, you know, obviously I can't do it now. And then you can just put your elbow on the table or something and just get a very relaxed look. I mean, girl, I am in character. And give it a very relaxed look. And yeah, you're like good. Again, remember your form, remember the shoulders back, and just look the side. Suck in. Yeah, I hope you guys like that. So that's my little tip. All right, so that completes this posing 101 video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it, and also I hope that you enjoyed the Lulus haul that I showed you. Like I stated, everything will be listed in the description box below, as well as the sizes, so make sure you're checking that out. And again, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Leave me comments down below letting me know what was your favorite look from the Lulus haul that I did. And yes, girl, thank you so much again for watching. I will see you in my next video.